Hey there, broker friends. Gavin here from Rapid Funding Solutions, and I'm here working in my home office, as you can see, as this crazy situation with the coronavirus unfolds. And if you're a broker, you've likely seen a big spike in applications, only to find out that there are very few lenders right now who have an appetite to fund them. And even these were like 2 weeks ago slam dunk deals. That is happening. And the reality is it's going to get worse before it gets better. And as bad as that situation is, I think it's now natural for us to start asking, how do we survive this situation too? Well, there is some good news here. There is one market that is actually getting busier, and that is real estate. With record low interest rates right now, real estate investors are busy doing refinances on their property portfolios, obviously getting into buy and holds and everything else in between. And those with cash are always going to invest it in times like this. Real estate is one of the safest places to put that cash. Just yesterday, one of our community members had over 16 refi deals and commercial deals from just one client. Take a look at this. Hey, so yeah, these are the deals that one of our guys has brought in using our organic methods. 16 refinance deals and 3 to 6 commercial deals with one client in one day. That's a crazy win. A really, really good client. And this is despite the terrible situation we find ourselves in with the coronavirus. The real estate market is booming. We are capitalizing on that, and we are teaching every single one of our affiliates in the community on exactly how to do that right now to maximize the potential to still continue making money, but also scaling that money monthly. So guess what? That deal, that client, all of those deals, all free, nothing spent at all, using our organic methods. So this is a huge client win for our guy there. And that's just one client. There's crazy opportunity out there right now. All of the deals that we work are from experienced real estate investors. They are all fundable. It doesn't mean they will fund, but they are all fundable. We do not work with anybody with zero experience. So if you're a broker right now and things are getting tight and you're getting a bit concerned about where you need to make money, the real estate investor market is a very serious option. And if you're just looking to get into this industry, again, the real estate investor market is a very serious option. And, you know, we have a community, we have a training program that can teach anybody to get into this market. We have very credible lenders. We've been doing this stuff for some time. So if you want to speak to me personally, there's a link below this video. Please feel free to schedule a call. But with that said, guys, please stay safe and well. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.